Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SSH on DigitalOcean with UFW step by step clearly. First, log in to your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the droplets section in the control panel. Select the droplet you want to enable SSH on. Click on the console access button to open the terminal. Verify that SSH is installed by typing SSHV. If SSH is not installed, you can install it using the package manager. Next, check if the UFW firewall is active by typing sudo of status. If UFW is inactive, you can enable it by entering sudo of enable. Now, you need to allow SSH connections through the firewall. Type sudo of allow OpenSSH to permit SSH access. Confirm the changes by checking the UFW status again with sudo of status. To secure your SSH, consider changing the default port from 22 to something else. Open the SSH configuration file with sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find the line that says #port 22 and change it to port 2222, for example. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. Restart the SSH service to apply the changes using sudo systemcll restart SSH. Now, update the UFW rules to allow the new port. Run sudo of allow 2222/TCP, replacing 2222 with your chosen port. Again, check the UFW status with sudo of status to confirm. To test the new configuration, open a new terminal session. Attempt to connect by typing SSH your username at your droplet IPP 2222. If you can connect successfully, you've enabled SSH on your DigitalOcean droplet with UFW. Finally, remember to keep your droplet software up to date for optimal security. Congratulations on completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.